In this video, we're gonna review this Boat AirDops 452, which has been launched on October 1st week, and I have been using this for more than 2 months. And cost of this AirDops is just 1,300 rupees. Is it worth for this money? What are the pros and cons of this AirDops? And you're going to see everything in this video. Before seeing that, I'm Raghu Prashant from ActivityMad, and if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribe. And if you are already a member of our community, welcome back. Now let's start this video with a quick unboxing of this Boat AirDops 452. The first thing you get after unboxing is the AirDops 452, which contains the buds inside it, and you get some extra pair of buds. You can change the buds which suits your ear perfectly, and you get the C-type charging cable inside the box. C-type charging is a great one, and you get some extra paperwork which also contains a 1-year warranty. 1-year warranty for this pricing is amazing. And finally, you get a set of paperwork which guide you to set up the AirDops for you. Now let's start with the design of this Boat AirDops 452. The initial impression I felt after unboxing this one, I felt it was really good. And you can see they have tried a different type of case for the buds with the stem. You can see the case is bit high compared to the other earbud cases. And if it was flat, it will be easy to carry. But it's okay now, even though you can carry this case without any trouble. But I prefer a flat case compared to the case with this height. And in front of the case you have a button for power and bearing with the LED light, and in back of the case you have a C-type charging port, and C-type charging port is really a good one. Even nowadays some bud cases comes with a USB charging port, but in this price range they come given a C-type charge port. We should really appreciate both for this one. And this case has the magnetic doors, so it won't open automatically, so you can carry without any fear. And you can't open this case single-handedly. I tried but I failed. Only you can open with double hands. And I like the snappy sound while closing this case. It sounds great. Like you like the sound? Please to comment in the comment section. And inside the buds holder also magnetic one, so the buds won't fall off this case automatically, so no fear about that too. When we talk about the buds, we have to talk about the buds design also, right? The buds is so long and has the long stem, so and also it fits into the ears without any trouble, and you won't feel any discomfort even if it used for the buds for long time. I have continuously used this buds for more than 3 hours, but I don't feel any discomfort. And in the bottom of the buds it has mic. We can talk about that later of this video. Before I start to talk about the sound quality of these buds, let's talk about the connectivity and pairing of this Boat AirDops 452. First time connecting any device with AirDops takes some time for pairing, but once you paired with any device, if you just open this case just like this one, then the pairing will be automatically connected within 2 seconds. And this AirDops 452 comes with a Bluetooth version 5.2, so the connectivity range is good and even it's great. And if you're using a device from one room and using this AirDops in another room, the sound quality is great. But if you move to another room, then the sound quality starts to drop. So the sound quality is great for only using from one room away. Now time to talk about the sound quality of this Boat AirDops 452. The sound quality from this AirDops 452 is great. Just great. I wasn't expecting this kind of sound quality from this AirDops 452, especially in this price range. Generally, I won't prefer using Bluetooth devices for hearing songs, but this device really changed my preference. You may feel I'm over exaggerating, but honestly, it's the fact. While hearing songs, I will note all the beats, vocals, even some background noise and hummings. Everything was crisp and clear in this AirDops 452. And the main concern in any Bluetooth device is the lag, which we feel generally. And I felt the lag in this AirDops 452 also. I felt 1 to 1.5 seconds lag in this AirDops 452. But to overcome those lags, they have given an additional feature called the Beast Mode, and which is the impressive one in this AirDops 452. To turn on the Beast Mode, just press and hold on the both earbuds for a few seconds. You will hear a sound like the Beast Mode. After that, the Beast Mode is turned on, and after turning on this Beast Mode, I have barely not noticed any lag. Even I have watched the entire movie in this earbuds using the Beast Mode, I haven't noticed any lag. But while watching movies, for every 10 to 15 minutes I feel some 0.5 seconds sound drops, but it wasn't affecting my movie experience. And now I know most of you will be waiting to know about the gaming experience in this Boat AirDops 452. Now the time to reveal about that too. And if you're going to play games where sound matters more, like a battleground game like BGMA, PUBG and Call of Duty, then I won't recommend gaming in this Adobe 452. Even after turning on the beast mode, I experience a 0.5 lag in these games. Yes, I have feel those lag also. The beast mode is best for avoiding lags in hearing songs, watching movies or watching any kind of videos. But in gaming, I feel the 0.5 lag even in the beast mode. If you are going to play just a casual game for just time pass, then you can use this Adobe 452. And if you are going to play heavy games where sound matters more and you're going to use this Adobe 452, then just forget gaming in this Adobe 452. It will give a terrible experience because of this lag. So there is no gaming. I won't say no gaming, there is no heavy gaming where sound matters more in this Adobe 452. After talking so much about the sound quality of this Adobe, now try to talk about the battery life. In normal mode, it gives 7 to 8 hours without putting into the case, and with case it gives the 20 hours of battery life, and with beast mode it gives 5 to 6 hours of battery life, and with case it gives the 15 to 16 hours. So the battery is an incredible one in this Adobe 452, and the case will be fully charged within an hour. So if you are planning a quick travel while packing, you can just charge this case without any trouble, so you can enjoy the songs while travel also. Have I forgot to share anything? Oh yes, I forgot to share about the call quality or the mic quality of this Boat Adobe 452. The call quality in this Boat Adobe 452 is average only. I can clearly hear the voice from the other side, but the person on the other side feels my voice is too low. So you can use this Adobe 452 for a quick call while traveling or you doing some kind of exercise. But if you are going to use this Boat Adobe for some professional like office use for meetings, then I won't recommend for those kind of things. You can use this Adobe 452 for just a quick call, but not for professional use. Keep that in that mind before buying this. And this buds has the touch controls, and here are some of the controls you can do using this buds. Single touch on either of the buds pauses the song or video playing, and again a single touch will resume the song or a video. Double tap on the left bud will take to the previous track, and double tap on the right tap will take to the next track. Triple tap on the left bud will reduce the volume, and triple tap on the right bud will increase the volume, but this triple tap is not working properly. Sometimes it's skipping the track and sometimes it's pausing the track, but it's not reducing volume properly. I feel this lag every time. And for calls, it has the same control. Single tap on any of the buds will accept the call, and double tap will end the call or reject the call for you. So it's time to list the pros and cons of this Adobe 452 to sum up this review. The design is one of their biggest advantages because it gives a good feel in hands, and sound quality is one of the biggest advantages, and I never expecting this kind of sound quality from this Adobe, and I will definitely recommend this Adobe 450 to someone who just buying this Adobe for hearing or watching movies or hearing songs. This Adobe 452 is perfectly matched for them. And comfort, I haven't feel any discomfort while wearing this Adobe for long time, so it's also one of their biggest advantages. And the battery life, it has a massive battery capacity and it also has a massive stand on time, so you have to don't worry about the battery life, so it's also a biggest advantages. And when it comes to the disadvantages, the lag in gaming, and if you are going to buy this Adobe 452 for gaming, then just forget this Adobe 452 and buy some other thing, or just buy a wired device for gaming. And the triple tap is not working properly sometimes, the most of the time, so you have to just use your device to increase or decrease your volume. So these are the both advantages and disadvantages of this both Adobe 452. So almost everything is covered about the both Adobe 452, and if you feel I have missed something, please drop your question in the comment section. I will answer all your questions. And that's it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, so let them also know the review about the both Adobe 452. And please do consider subscribe to Activity Mat for more quality video just like this one, and please do keep supporting us. Thank you.